This is a cPanel. Your host provider may have given you login details to cPanel. This gives you the option to add email addresses, as we can see here, forwarders, so you can forward an email to another account, and autoresponders, which will allow the auto response of an email that is sent to you. We also have File Manager, and sometimes if you get a problem with WordPress with the plugins, you can actually edit within File Manager the plugins title that will then allow you to go through and check each of the plugins to see if there is a fault or a problem. A key aspect of this particular cPanel area could be your WordPress toolkit, and also the option of adding domains here. This could include subdomains where you might find you can copy your site over, and therefore if one page site goes down, you can copy the other one over. A very quick process of restoring a site. You can also see your visitors and bandwidth. This is a separate area completely to Google Analytics. You can also here install WordPress, which may be something that you have or have considered looking at. When you open this area here, you will see that you can have a whole group of subdomains, and you can also ensure that your site can be updated regularly through these particular areas. Another interesting area is you may find of use is the web cache within the cPanel, and this is something that you might use to actually improve what you're actually doing. So you've also got the track DNS as well, so you can actually change DNS providers, etc. If you're not using WordPress themes, you could look at this particular option, SitePad website. This has been included. Now, this is completely separate software to Elementor or Bricks or anything like that, which is included. These themes are included with this particular site provider, this particular host. I personally found that I don't use that. I just install WordPress and then change the themes. And often I will go to this area here, and this area will potentially give me the option of installing onto the site WordPress at its basic level, and then you can add the additional themes that you might choose to go for. So cPanel offers a lot of information, and I hope it's been of some use to actually look at this information to see if it could be the support area that you might need yourself. There are lots and lots of options in here, all of which could benefit you. If you found this video of use, please like or subscribe and share with others. Thanks very much indeed for watching this particular video.